That was Só Danço Samba by Antonio Carlos Jobim. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Next up, we're going to play through this again. We'll have a count in, the Guitar Pro neck diagram, as well as the standard and tablature notation running along with the music. After that, I'll take you through the melody step by step, and then some basic chords and chord changes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now that we've played through this again, let's work on the step-by-step. You can find a link to the PDF of the tablature down in the description below. We'll start in position 8, going between notes G and A. So that's fret 8 and 10 on string 2, and then we're going to play that again. Now we're going to position 10. We're going to play notes E, E flat, D, B, and A. Starting on string 1, 12, 11, 10. String 2, fret 12, and fret 10. Okay, here we have those notes again. So position 8 and string 2 between frets 8 and 10. Okay. Now this time we're going to string 1, fret 8 with note C. So we just went through the A section, now that's all going to repeat. Up to position 10. Back to position 8. And then string 1, fret 8. Now we've reached the B section. Position 3, D note here. Then going to string 1, A flat, frets 5 and 4. And then we're going to string 2, fret 5, E, and then string 2, fret 3. Let's put that together. Okay, we're going to hold that, and then we're going to go to our next phrase. Position 5, E, string 2, fret 5. D on string 3, fret 7. Going up to string 1, fret 7, 6 and 5, B, B flat A. Going to string 3, fret 7, D. String 2, got E, G, G flat, F, E. That's fret 5, 8, 8 again, 7, 6, 5, and then D on string 3, fret 7. Okay, we're back on the A section, but the rhythm of the melody is a little different here. So we play okay, same two notes, different rhythm. Position 10. Okay, just like before. And then again, our different rhythm here. All right, and then we have the different placement of the C note here. String 1. Okay, let's talk about the chords and the chord changes. We have C6. We're in the key of C. That's the one chord, so we're going to A7. place a sharp 5 on this. Then we're going to the D9. From there we'll play D minor 7 to G7 and then over to C. And then we'll play G sus. From there we'll repeat. So C6, A7, sharp 5 to D9, D minor 7 to G7 to C6 over to G7 sus, and then we're going to the B section. So we have G minor 7, C7 to F6, I'm playing F6-9 here, A minor 7, D9, D minor 7 to G7, and then we're back to the A section, C6, A7 sharp 5, D9, D minor 7, G7, and C6. We'll play D minor 7, G7 sharp 5, and then repeat. Thanks for watching. You may find you need more help with this tune or tunes like this. Visit Fretprints.com and sign up for a free trial to our membership website. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.